Hello everyone, welcome to Amal Khan YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about drawing, that what is need when you are going to draw a drawing. Let me start from the ground floor. First we will draw a ground floor. So here I have a very general ground floor plane 30 by 63 feet, which is equal to 7 marla. You can call it 7 marla like that. Here is a very specified plane. You can see here how beautifully it draw. So here, let me start here from main gate. So we have a main gate which is 12 feet wide, and after that here is car porch which is 15 by 17 feet, and here is a double car porch which is 15 by 17 feet. So here you can see a drawing room, and which is 10 by 12, so it's ideal, it's good. And here is attached bath which is 7 by 6 feet. So you can see here the entrance, and here's the ventilation, and here also the window. You can also give here the windows, and you can also give it at the corner here. So then, and also here at the car porch, uh, 4 feet wide stairs, which is very important for the outside portion. If you want to give the upper portion rent, so it will ideal rent. It's very good that you can stairs here. You can close here, that here no disturbance, and this will be the other portion which is separate portion. So here you can enter, and here is also stair, one step stair which is 1 foot, and you can enter. Here is a lounge, is about 20-15 feet, and its level is 1 feet high from the car porch. And here you can see here this sign from road, 1 feet is above from the road, this car porch. And from the car porch here, this entrance and all inside the house is 1 feet above. Here you can see a kitchen which have outside window, very suitable for the ventilation. Here also another window, so it will not disturb your room by the smells like that. Here you can go, and here is a 2 bedroom here, which is 12 by 16 feet, a very good and good positionable rooms. And here again you can see here 12 by 14 room, and with the room here is attached washroom which is 7 by 6 feet, and with this bedroom, this room attached washroom 6 by 6, and the ventilation is outside to the open space. You can use for ventilation, it's very ideal. 3 feet wide up to here. You can also work here. So this is very ideal ground floor plane. So you can also take a screenshot from it that you can practice. I will also try to make it again for you guys and upload the video that how to construct and how you will draw it. So this is a short explanation about ground floor, which is very ideal house, 30 by 63, which we call 7 marlas. Now we come to first floor, and you can see first floor is looking very beautiful. I will make a front elevation also of this floor, but you will comment for that I can make or not. So please comment that I must upload its front elevation. So here you can up, so you see this from the is the terrace. You can see here the open terrace. You come here by the terrace, here the door entrance. Here you can see lounge. You can also give a room here also, but there will be a problem for the ventilation, so then you will give window for the ventilation, as well as this is also good but I think for ventilation, if you want a good ventilation here, so don't give here room, but just left it open, that you can, that whenever you construct like this house, it will be so enjoyable and you will enjoy. Oh, so ventilation, here you come to the lounge, which is again 2215, same like the ground floor, and it's very ideal. So here is this stairs. You can see this stair is for the upper portion, which is the top roof. For top roof you can give here, also you can give here, but it's not suitable, so I give here. And this, and you can see this stairs, this stairs goes to the ground level. So this is the ground level stairs, and this is the upper stairs. You can come here to the top floor. Here you can come. So here also like that, bedroom, 2 bedroom, 12 by 14 and 12 by 16. This room, bath, and here also bath. This projection is shown for the old HWT, overhead water tank, and also you can see here the terrace, small terrace, and this is the open space which is seen here. And this is very ideal first floor, and you also give it for the rent if you want to construct here the stairs. So construct here the stair that the outsider can come here from this side, from this gate, or maybe they just also here available double car porch. So if the outside portion have a car, so it will be easy for them. So now you can see here the open terrace when you come to the top floor. So here you will come like this. Here you see, here is top floor, open terrace, and here is the overhead water tank is constructed. Construct a basement floor. So here is also basement floor. So for the basement, this stairs is came here. So you can see here the hall, which is about 12 by 12 feet, and the ventilation for this ground floor here, these windows. Here is this window. So from here the ventilation is take place. Also from this door also here the ventilation take place. It is very ideal basement. Its room is also same like the upper portion, and also here's bathroom. So here also attached bathroom with the rooms. So these are the basement. This is a proposed core area, because here is the area is covered. This is open, and this is street width, and street width is in front up to 4 feet. The here where is lawn, also you can construct a lawn like that. A flower you can keep here, so it will come open. So this is 30 feet by 63 feet house plan. The X section, you here A prime A is its X section. So this will be look like this. You can see here. So in the basement, here is a foundation. I will also show its foundation in the next video. So you can see here in the basement, first of all you will select the earth and then fill with the 4-inch sand, and then the marble, which is 7 sand 1:6, and after that this is floor, and then your height will be start, which is 11 feet. The height of the slab is 6 inch, and 7 feet its door, and this is the stairs. You can see it's, and this is the for ventilation. Here is the windows and ground and first floor. Now here at the top, HWT overhead water tank, which is about 5 feet height, and you can see here the dimension as well. At the top, when you construct the slab, then you will give additional construction like that you will get the roof insulation. RCC slab is here is the specification of the slab. You can see 6-inch RCC slab, which ratio is 1:2:4. 2 coat of hot bitumen for that for insulation, and here's one layer of polythene sheet, then 4-inch mud filling, and then you will keep marble over there, which is 12-inch 6-inch the dimension of that marble, and the cement sand ratio for that is 1:6. This is the drawing, which is 30 feet by 63 feet, and you can here is a open schedule. So here the specification you shown here, the door D, which size is also mentioned, and like this you will make the open schedule. So which D1 is, you can go here, you will find here D1, so you can easily find it right here. This is D1, so his specification is D1 is like it's wooden D1, and which size is, which is width wise 3 feet and height is 7 feet. Whenever you want to give it to the client, you will also, its proposed area, so plot area is about 1890 square feet, and open area is 378.1461 square feet. So the proposed area, basement, all we can add in. The total covered area is 4617.3291 square foot. So by this, so this is the complete drawing, but it have something like missed at front elevation and foundation. So I will draw in next video about this plan, and tell me that which, and tell me also the dimension that I can draw a drawing for you guys with the specification and the front elevation. So keep subscribe. If you like this video, then hit the like, and also press the bell icon